confirmation ya madaktari ni kwamba Betty was diagnosed with leukemia, cancer ya damu. It was diagnosed in 2 hospitals. Moja iko Kiambu and AR. So what I know, complications zinazoletwa na leukemia were the result of her death. So that's what we know from the doctors.
So how long has been suffering?
Like 1 month. She has been out on and off, in and out of hospital, seeing doctors, simple medications here and here. But when she went to AR on Thursday, it was now seriously confirmed. It's a serious cancer.
At what stage was the cancer?
I cannot say for now. It was too fast. Anyway, I have talked about 4 days in 2 days in AR and 2 days in Kenyatta National Hospital. We do not have a lot of information, more details. It was too fast. Tunasema Betty ametuhepa. Hapo amejificha tu akaondoka. Hakungojea daktari wa mtibu, amehepa tu. But we will pray for the family. That's the best thing we can do. Pray for the children. They are so young. They loved their mother so much. Wale wako kwa mitandao wanajua. They were so much connected with the mother. Pia Betty ako na ndugu zake, brothers and sisters. Ako na mume wake Tash. No, what we can do is pray for them. Ni Mungu tu atawapatia amani. So tunatuma watu kazi. Hata wale walioko kwa social media, all media houses. I know we loved Betty. Hiyo haina lingine. Tulipenda huyo msichana. What we can do, pray, mention their names ya hao wameachwa to God, to give them peace, because it is what they need as for now. Tukifika ni kutaka any other support, because automatically we'll give Betty a very nice send off as a queen. Kifo cha Betty kitaturudisha pamoja zaidi. Tukitaka msaada, we will ask everyone from all corners to come and support us. And because there is a life after Betty, kwa sababu kuna watoto, lazima tuwasaidie. Yeah.